Okay, let's learn some idioms and phrases today. By using idioms and phrases in your life, you can articulate your feelings very well. Articulate means express. Phrases means small sentences which people use, which people have been using for a long time. They are phrases. Okay. And idioms are, in Hindi we say kahawate and muhavre. Shiva doesn't know because you are from Afghanistan. Okay, so you can understand, like, when you read them, they have some different meaning, but they have some literal meaning of them. They don't have direct translations. Okay, so let's learn them today. First one is first come, first serve. Means पहले आओ, पहले पाओ. तो अगर पहले आना है, आगे सीट पे बैठना है, so you have to come on time. You have to be punctual. Okay. Next is might is right. Here might means strong. Okay. Like we say God is almighty. You know? And Mighty Raju, there was one cartoon also. I have heard about it. Mighty Raju. So Mighty Raju means Takatvar Raju. Like this you can use. Now, might is right. Yes, Hindi of this phrase is जिसकी लाठी उसी की भैंस. जो मतलब strong बंदा है, उसी की चलेगी. उसी के सब मानते हैं. Okay, like this you can use. Yes, you can say. Now, love is blind. So, do you think love is blind? Yes, so we have so many examples. Like Beauty and the Beast examples we have. Beauty and the Beast means again same thing. When girl is very beautiful and boy is not so handsome, then we can use this phrase, love is blind, or vice versa. Yes, girls are not. So that's what I'm saying, vice versa इसी को बोलते हैं. मतलब उसी situation को उल्टा अगर समझें तो. So when some boys are also handsome and girls are not so pretty, then also we can use this phrase that love is blind. And some people say love is not only blind, love is deaf and dumb also. What do you mean by deaf and dumb? गूंगा बहरा भी है साथ में. Okay. So it all depends on your perception. Now perception means सोच. सब कुछ आपके सोच पर डिपेंड करता है. All fingers are not equal. This is also a phrase. मतलब सब एक जैसे नहीं होते, सबकी सोच एक जैसी नहीं होती. Fine. So some people believe love is blind. Some people say no, it's not blind. You fall in love with you fall in love wisely. Some people, they fall in love wisely. Wisely मतलब क्या होता है? समझदारी से. कोई भी काम जो हम करते हैं समझदारी से, उसके लिए we use the word wisely. Wisely word बना है wise से. So what is the meaning of wise? समझदार. Yes, all my students are wise and witty. I've given you this word also. Okay, now it is not an idiom. It is just a vocabulary, advanced vocabulary. Gold diggers. Gold diggers are girls, those who marry for money. No? So there are girls, those who marry for money, which is not right. There should be, what do you say? Pure love, platonic love. I have made reel also on this. Platonic love. Then, you should get married. It's okay. As I said, all fingers are not equal. Next is this one. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. That's very important. Yes. So, again, it depends. Women, of course, they all believe in this. Now, whether men believe it or not, that we will discuss on Monday. We will have group discussion on this topic on Monday. This is your homework also. So, behind every successful man, there is a woman. And I told you, for woman, singular, you will use WOMAN. Okay, we never say women's. कभी नहीं बोलते. Okay, S नहीं लगाते ना men में ना women में. What we will do, if we want to make plural, we will put E कर देंगे. Pronunciation change हो जाएगा. Women हो जाएगा. This is woman. For single, you say woman. For plural, you say women. Women. V. Pronunciation would be V. Okay, remember this. Okay, so now next is a rotten apple injures its companion. Rotten apple, खराब सेब. Injures means खराब कर देना. वैसे इंजरी का मतलब होता है चोट लगना, बट यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है खराब कर देना. किसको? कंपेनियंस को. सब कंपेनियन कौन होते हैं? अपने फ्रेंड्स। तो अगर एक एप्पल को आप पेटी में रख दो जो खराब है, तो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग आप देखोगे 5-6 एप्पल खराब हुए पड़े होंगे. So what is the literal meaning of this? That you should always have a good company. If you will be with bad friends, you will become bad. If you will have good friends, you will also become good. Like if they are boozing and fagging, what is boozing and fagging? अगर वो ड्रिंक करते हैं अल्कोहल या स्मोक करते हैं, तो वन डे यू विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट स्मोकिंग, है ना? ऐसा होता है, चांसेस है. और योर ऑफ कोर्स ऑन योर मॉरल वैल्यूज, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर मॉरल वैल्यूज, है ना, कितने स्ट्रांग है. अगर आपके स्ट्रांग है तो nobody can harm you, and nobody can change you if you have strong moral values. Okay, Rohit? So take care of it. Always make good friends, and I think you have good friends and they are very helpful because you are also very helpful. Okay, now this one is for Avneet. I told you, feel green. Feel green means feel jealous. Sometimes when we love somebody, so we feel green if somebody else approaches them. That is feel green means feel jealous. And the last one is called off. Called off means postpone. Yes, yesterday we had a news that match was called off in Lucknow due to fog, due to dense fog. बहुत घना कोहरा को क्या बोलते हैं? Dense fog. Clear all the meanings? Okay then, that's all for today.